Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a mani using the new collection from Risen Legacy. The new collection is available today, Friday, May 27th. It is the All-American Girl collection. The first color here is Wild and Free. Look at that sparkle, and it has little flakes in there as well. The white one is Free to Sparkle, and it's a white shimmery sparkle. And Little Miss Firecracker is my favorite. It's a red with some pink undertones. It's super pretty. And it has some shimmer in there as well. And here are all three colors together. Aren't they gorgeous? Oh, and that blue, it's so pretty. Alright, so we're going to be using all three colors today for the mani. I'm going to be using all Risen Legacy products. That G on the cap there, that is just my liquids that I use strictly for glitters only, just so I don't contaminate my liquids. And I'm going to let you guys go ahead and watch this mani, and I'll be back in a few moments. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and clear encapsulate our nails using the Pure Diamond Risen Legacies Clear Dip Powder. And you can see in the lid I have written glitter on there. I just prefer to have two different clears, one for my solids and one for my glitters, to help prevent contamination. And I really hope that you guys kind of like how I do my manis. I don't really voice over each step. I really enjoy watching people do their manis, so I just thought it'd be really kind of unique and different if I just show you guys how I am doing my manis without kind of doing the whole tutorial spiel. Alright, so I'm going to continue letting you guys enjoy this mani, and I did do my filing and buffing off camera, and then I will pop back in a little bit. Alright, so I'm just finishing up with that second layer of top coat, and I cannot stop staring at Little Miss Firecracker. It is the perfect, bright, vibrant red for summer. It is like if a cherry and a watermelon had a baby, Little Miss Firecracker would be that color. So after my top coat, I'm going to go ahead and use Risen Legacies Cuticle Oil, which is amazing, by the way, and it smells so good. And I'm also going to go ahead and link Risen Legacies Facebook group and Risen Legacies Instagram page below. Natalie had a lot of fun things happening this week over on the Risen Legacies Instagram page, even a little giveaway and a couple sneak peeks of the new collection before it came out. So this collection is available now, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.